How to clean dark black patio. First of all, get yourself some of the pink stuff, apply it, then allow it to stay on for a good 2 hours or even the next day. As you can see here, this is how we've applied it, and I'm now gonna power wash it off. This is actually a part you can detach, and you connect this part here. Once you click that on, screw that in. This acts as like a floor cleaner. It's pretty good actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this whole area here with, put down this special stuff. It's a really pain this because it's black tiles. So really see how this comes up. Really recommend the Nilfisk. You can obviously take this off and power wash it by hand, but this is a really good tool for doing floors. So let's see how it goes. Just a key thing to do, always make sure you put the water in first. Just simply click the clicks on, get it slack, and then turn the power on. It's a really good way of getting stains on tiles. If you do have black tiles or dark tiles, not easy to maintain. We bought this pretty cheap stuff from B&M, which is like 69p a tub. It's called the pink stuff. It's brilliant. It's basically been over it all and scrubbed it all in. It's got like it's a bit like Sif really. It's got like little particles in, so you're able to scrub that in. Now we're just going to go over with this, but you could go over just if you don't have this tool here. Power wash, just generally blast it all off, and which you can see here, it's coming up really well. Quite keen to see the results. And then once you've done the key areas, just use a really stiff brush. And then you can just give it a final wash over, make sure you get all the sediments off, anything that could possibly stay in it, especially with it being like dark grey black. Really impressed with the results. As you can see, I know it's wet, it looks much better than what it'll do when it dries. I can already tell a massive difference. It's picked up all the algae. A lot of Mickey Mouse stuff out there where you can buy stuff to put on to remove the algae, but there's no better than just scrubbing it.